In this video, we will teach you how to download and install Acuity's SensorView software. Let's get started. First, open an internet browser. In the address bar, type in acuitybrands.com. Next, locate the search bar on the website and type SensorView download. Locate the product tile titled SensorView and click on the blue link. Scroll down and click the white button with Download Now in blue. Once the download is complete, click to open the installer. SensorView requires a Windows operating system. You can see what versions are supported by viewing the user guide or spec sheet. Additionally, IIS and .NET Framework 4.8 are prerequisites for installation. If the components are not detected, the installation wizard will ask you to install them. Click Yes, then restart your computer once the components are installed. If the components are detected, you can click Next. Select I accept the terms of the license agreement, then click Next. To install the folder, click Next. Most connections will not require a proxy server, but if it's required, you can set those options here. Click Next. Select all features, then click Next. Select default website, then click Next. You are ready to install the program. Click Install. A warning will pop up. Click Yes. Installation is complete. Select Launch SensorView application, then click Finish. The first time you log in, the username is administrator. All letters are lowercase. The default password is admin. All letters are lowercase. After logging in, you will be instructed to create a password. Password requirements are identified on the screen. It's recommended that you create an atypical password that matches the SensorView password field in the system controller. Once you have entered the new password, click Change. Enter administrator as the username. Enter your new password and click Login. You will now register SensorView. In the Setup tab, fill out all of the registration fields. Once all fields are filled, click Save. Next, click the Gateway Password section of the setup. Enter in all lowercase, sensor switch, 1, 2, 3, 4. Click Save. Next, we will discover gateways on the network. If you know your gateway's IP address, enter it in the Gateway ID field, then click Discover. SensorView will most often discover any controller on the same subnet, but a user can manually type in the IP address if they don't see the controller listed. If the user's PC is out of range for the controller's IP address, connection to the controller may not be successful. If you are connected to the NECY through the Wi-Fi dongle, use the default IP address 192.168.0.1, then click Discover. Once you have discovered your gateway, you are now ready to program your Nlight system. Thank you for watching. And as always, thank you for choosing Acuity Brands.